So what we've got now is the second layer of fiberglass has gone dry, it's cured. Now we need to put in the support for the other layers. So we're going to put another 2 layers of fiberglass matting down, but embedded in these other 2 layers is going to be the support framework for the base of the mould. As this mould's being made upside down, we need to have a flat surface to be able to, once the mould's flipped over, to have the mould on a flat surface to be able to lay the fiberglass on the actual side of the part. So what we're going to use, we're going to use some foam to just cut the foam into slivers to bring this layer, this piece of wood up like that. I'm going to fill this gap here, give it a little bit of support up the other end, same on the other side, and then fiberglass over the top of these pieces of wood with the wedges underneath. These 2 will then get screwed into those top bits, and then that will create a base for the mould once it's flipped over, as it'll be a flat surface to work from. So a little bit of preparation, but it makes a better job for the mould in the long run. So now we've got a nice level base. This one's nice and level. We've jacked this side up because it's lower. We're now just going to fiberglass these blocks in place, and then we'll be able to go fiberglass over here, up, over the top and down, so that we do this bit individually, and then we can go over the top of the whole lot with more fiberglass matting, excluding these top parts here, as they'll be screwed into these base parts here. Okay, so we've come back a little bit later on. As you can see, it's getting darker now. The fiberglass has started to set. It's not quite dry, it's not quite set yet, but it's very well on its way. Enough for me to get, I've got some more fiberglass layers, rolls of fiberglass, and I'm going to pre-cut the fiberglass matting while this is setting, to be able to then, when this is fully gone off, lay the others on top. Also, hopefully in the next couple of days it's going to warm up a bit, because that's the main reason why this is taking so long, is because it's so cold. It's ideally supposed to be done between 6 and 12 degrees at the lowest, and it's been on the 6 to 7 degrees lately. So we're pushing our luck doing it, but it is doable by putting the catalyst in. So I'm just going to show you the process of pre-cutting the fiberglass matting to go round this edge, and so that we can then lay the glass over the top of these, and reinforce this joint with further layers of fiberglass matting. Final coat of fiberglass and resin. You'll have to excuse my voice because I've got a killer sore throat, so I've kept a narration as small as possible, but I'm going to let this go off, let this set, and then catch you at the next stage, where hopefully I'll have a bit more voice and I'll be able to explain the next stages later. So catch up with you next time.